Yeah.
That's all right.
He's got one. He got one just like that in his thing. They can't open. That one there he can open. That Hot Wheels. Oh,
He loves the peanuts. He's been trying to eat the peanuts.
say, well, thank you.
Say thank you, Grandma.
That's what he likes. You're welcome.
That was some Grandma.
Huh?
I said that was from Grandma and from Bubby.
Yeah.
Bubby got the Hot Wheels. I seen it. Bubby?
No, that's to the baby, 1 year old.
There's 2 pair of jammies in there.
This is all his stuff.
Yeah.
Grandma from Grandma and Bubby.
Yep.
There's some more stuff down in here.
Oh, okay.
There's a straw.
Straw and okay.
2 pairs.
Yep.
You ready? Well, everything's done and over with.
I like this one.
There's
Yeah.
Mom's little surf food.
James, you're coming over by the house.
no.